How to use label and filters in Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and use labels and filters in Gmail to keep your inbox clean, organized, and stress-free. So, if your inbox is full of clutter, this is exactly what you need. So, let's get started. First things first, go to your browser and log in into your Gmail. So you can see the labels option on the left hand side. So labels in Gmails are like folders. So instead of moving emails into just one folder, you can assign multiple labels to a single email. This makes it super flexible and easy to organize your emails based on categories. You just need to tap on the plus icon that says create new label, and then you need to enter the label name, and you can see nest label under. If you take this, you can select the main parent if you have created one, and then just hit create. So now your label is ready to use. Now let's apply a label to an email. Open any email, and then at the top you'll be able to see the label icon that says move to. Just tap on it, and then you can set it to the label that you just created. And if you tap on the label, you can see that the mail is now tagged here. Now let's talk about filters. Filters help automate your email organization. Instead of manually labeling emails, filters do it for you based on the rules you set, like sender, subject, or keywords. Now in Gmail, go to the search bar at the top, and then you can see the small filter icon on the right hand side. So just go to the filter option, and then here you can put in a specific subject, like the ones that you have received from. You can put in the Gmail address, the subject, you can put in the word size, the date, and all, and then you can create a filter. So let's say if you receive a lot of emails from your bank, you can create a filter that automatically labels them as finance and skips your inbox. This way, all your important financial emails are organized in one place without cluttering your main inbox. And that's it. That's how you create labels and filters in Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.